Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at this ratio keto-friendly bar. Just saw this at the store the other night when we were out shopping, and I'm a fan of coconut and almonds, so looks pretty good. It's showing 2 grams net carbs, so I'm looking forward to it. 240 calories, so this is kind of a meal replacement bar style. It's not like a like a after dinner mint or something. So we're gonna try this out. First, I'm gonna go through the ingredients: almonds, pumpkin seeds, soy protein isolate, coconut oil, erythritol, whey protein isolate, chicory root extract, sea salt, stevia extract, and natural flavors. So for sweeteners, they're using erythritol and stevia, so it might have that cooling effect. I am a little disappointed that they're using soy protein, but can't win on everything. So first thing I note is that it's got this orangish hue to it. It's kind of funny actually, like I'm eating a pumpkin. Well, it's not horrible by any stretch. It's significantly crunchier than I expected. It's very toothsome. So it's definitely more like a, when I say that, I want to be clear, it's a dry, it's not like some of those bars where you feel like you're eating taffy or something, where it's like super sticky and just thick like that. This is crunchy. I don't know if you can hear it crunch, but it's the real deal as far as crunchiness. So I will say this definitely feels like you're eating something, which can be good mentally. A lot of times you can you can burn through a meal replacement bar real fast, and you don't get the sensation that you've actually eaten anything. This is not that. This is absolutely I'm eating something kind of a bar. Flavor-wise, it's not very sweet at all. So if you're looking for something really sweet, this will not be it. So it doesn't taste like a health food store, from that perspective, where it just tastes like dirt or some kind of like grain holes or something. It's actually, it's got a nice coconut flavor. It's got a nice almond flavor. I definitely get that. Pumpkin seeds you can kind of get a hint of, but it's not very prominent. But no, I mean, in general, like these are good. I mean, I certainly would buy them again. I'd probably rate them like an 8 out of 10, maybe a 9 out of 10, probably an 8 out of 10. Because I've had some that I like a little bit better, but they're certainly not like some of those other bars that I would give like a 3 out of 10 that, they don't taste good, they're impossible to chew, yada, yada, yada. So, no, I definitely can recommend the Ratio Keto-Friendly Bar. Now, again, this is the coconut almond flavor. They have a number of other flavors, so if you like something else, you may find your flavor out there. So, with that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.